Have you ever wondered what makes people tick at work? Industrial organizational psychology, also known as IO psychology, is a fascinating field that explores just that. It's all about understanding how people behave in the workplace and using that knowledge to make work better for everyone. Think of it like this. IO psychologists are like workplace detectives, studying how people think, feel, and act on the job. They use scientific methods to gather data and analyze trends, helping organizations make smarter decisions about their most valuable asset, their employees. From hiring the right people to boosting employee morale, IO psychology plays a vital role in creating a more productive and fulfilling work experience. It's about understanding what makes people thrive at work and finding ways to unlock their full potential. In today's fast-paced and competitive world, businesses are constantly looking for ways to improve their bottom line. One of the most effective ways to do this is by investing in their employees. That's where IO psychology comes in. IO psychologists work with organizations to create a workplace where employees feel valued, motivated, and engaged. By applying psychological principles to the workplace, they help improve everything from hiring practices to employee training and development. This results in a more productive and efficient workforce, leading to increased job satisfaction, reduced turnover, and ultimately, a more successful organization. When employees feel supported and valued, they're more likely to be productive, creative, and committed to their work. One of the key areas of study within IO psychology is understanding individual differences. Just like every person is unique, so too are their strengths, weaknesses, and motivations. IO psychologists use a variety of assessments and techniques to identify these individual differences and help organizations put the right people in the right roles. This ensures that employees are well suited to their jobs, leading to higher levels of job satisfaction and performance. By understanding what motivates employees, organizations can also create reward systems and incentives that are tailored to their needs. This helps to keep employees engaged and motivated, leading to better outcomes for both the individual and the organization. Building better teams. In today's collaborative work environment, teamwork is more important than ever. IO psychology recognizes the importance of teams and provides insights into how to build and manage them effectively. IO psychologists study group dynamics, communication patterns, and conflict resolution strategies to help teams work together more cohesively. They also provide training and development programs to enhance team communication, problem-solving, and decision-making skills. By fostering a culture of collaboration and teamwork, organizations can create a more positive and productive work environment where everyone feels valued and respected. This leads to improved communication, increased innovation, and better overall performance. Motivation and job satisfaction, the keys to success. Two of the most important factors in employee well-being and organizational success are motivation and job satisfaction. IO psychology provides valuable insights into what motivates employees and how to create a work environment that fosters job satisfaction. IO psychologists study different theories of motivation such as Maslow's hierarchy of needs and Herzberg's two-factor theory to understand what drives employees to perform at their best. They also conduct employee surveys and focus groups to gather feedback on job satisfaction and identify areas for improvement. By addressing factors that contribute to job dissatisfaction, such as lack of recognition, poor work-life balance, or limited growth opportunities, organizations can create a more positive and fulfilling work experience for their employees. Creating a positive and productive workplace. Ultimately, the goal of IO psychology is to create a positive and productive workplace where employees feel valued, respected, and motivated to do their best work. This involves addressing a wide range of factors, from physical work environment to organizational culture. IO psychologists work with organizations to design ergonomic workspaces, implement flexible work arrangements, and promote work-life balance. They also help organizations create a culture of diversity and inclusion, where everyone feels welcome and respected. By creating a positive and supportive work environment, organizations can attract and retain top talent, reduce stress and burnout, and improve employee well-being. This leads to a more engaged and productive workforce, resulting in better outcomes for both the individual and the organization. Want to learn more? This is just a glimpse into the fascinating world of industrial organizational psychology. If you're interested in learning more about how to apply psychological principles to the workplace, there are many resources available to you. You can explore academic journals, attend conferences, or even consider pursuing a degree in IO psychology. The field is constantly evolving, with new research and insights emerging all the time. By understanding the principles of IO psychology, you can help create a more positive and productive work experience for yourself and those around you.